Yeah, removing the seals. I use, with this spring type circlip, I just use a little screwdriver that I tap into the space to ease it out. And that removes said item. Then turn her over and bash the seals out.
I love the amount of hammers involved in, in working on this.
Precision work.
It's mostly hammers, isn't it?
Precision work is the toffee.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
This laddie.
Let's just see if this pops out easily. Right. Just clean this face up. Okay, when putting the seal back in, I tend to just put a smear of well seal round the edge of it, probably just to act as a lubricant and as a sort of a fail safe in case there should be any leak paths. I've never known them to be, but it certainly helps to get it in. Important to note that that bit is down towards the crankshaft side. On the road bikes it's done exactly the opposite way, but that looks pretty much how it should be.
Okay. So why is it done? Do you know why it's done the opposite way around?
Yeah, because that's where the real pressure is from the crankcases at racing speeds.
Right.
The other way just acts as a sort of a barrier between the gearbox and the crankcase internals.
So what we just saw you do then was just put the clip back in.
Just put the clip back in. Yeah.
Awesome.
So that's a good one.